Hello everyone. So we're here at the school, and the school is almost like empty. And here is Anita. The school just done. And here it's the bell ringing. That was the bell ringing. We were talking about playing tap revenge in the IMN. Show them.
That's how you play.
And then the last one.
Tap revenge on the iPad. And then the last one, when you got the long tap here, what you have to do. After it's done, then you get back to your position again.
That's the yoga.
That's how you play tap revenge. You want to win quickly. Do that.
I believe.
Believe me, you'll be alright.
What do you eat? Some kind of chip with this kind of.
Is that delicious?
It's relative
To some people.
to some people.
People. The people.
Yeah, so you have to try that. If you want to, just go to my school. I'm trouble. Yeah, trouble. That is the singing. If you want to sing, just do this.
If you want to get the
You will reach the high notes just like Harry Styles do and Zayn Malik do.
So we're alone, not really alone. We both are alone. I like to see some random people walking. We can see the school. The school is incredible. Incredible.
The school is incredible.
Incredible.
Some a school YOLO. Some school students are wearing.
Say hi. Hi. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Itu gila. It's a chaos.
My shoes.
Yeah, my shoes. My gampang. You just licked by Katerina.
Okay, so
Bye.